I'll be going through the answers quickly, so make sure your course book is open and in front of you, and please stop and rewind the video as you need to. So, got your book open in front of you? Are your answers in capitals? Want to know why the answers are the answers? Then let's go. Question number 1. Ask yourself, what is it that we coin? Well, we know what it is in this case because it's the word teenagers. Now, teenagers is a word. Can you coin a word? No, you can't. Can you coin a name? Can you coin an idea? Can you coin an idiom? No, you can't. But you can coin a phrase. That phrase being, in this case, teenagers. And that's why the answer is C. For question 2, we need to choose the vocabulary which means the same as has always been, or there has not been a time in which these people, teenagers, have never been. In short, the answer is B, existed. I couldn't think of an easy way to explain that, but in this case the answer is existed. We can't have A, been. Grammatically it doesn't make any sense. Teenagers can't subsist, and teenagers can't endure, at least not in the context that's presented here. So the answer is B. Question number 3, keyword here is pay. What do you pay? Do you pay notice, do you pay thought, do you pay mind, or do you pay attention? Of course the answer is D, you pay attention. Question number 4, progression of ages. Child stars. You are a child star before you are a teenage actor. And if you're a teenage actor, as the point is being made here, it probably means that you were a former child star, which is why the answer is A, former. For question number 5, the key word here is the preposition after the gap, which is from. Only one of the answers collocates with that preposition, and that answer is C, arising. For question number 6, the sentence says, the clothing and food industries quickly jumped on the bandwagon and began to produce goods aiming towards this newly discovered social group. In other words, we need to choose an answer which means the same as aiming towards. And if we have a look at the answers, we can't say aiming because we don't have the preposition towards. We can't say seeking because that means looking for, and it's not looking for, it's rather aiming towards, which is slightly different meaning. It's not focusing because you focus on something and the preposition on is not there, which means that the answer must be D, targeting. For question number 7, what's the sentence getting at? These same fashions and foods still what their own today. This sentence basically means is that the fashions and foods which were popular and aimed towards teenagers then are still being aimed towards the teenagers now, which means that they're still as important now as they were back then. So we need to choose the answer for number 7 to complete this phrase, which means that basically what I just explained. And if you didn't know this vocabulary, then make sure you know it from now on. The answer that you're looking for is A, to hold your own. And if you hold your own, it means that you survive within the context or survive in the thing or in the area in which you are. So in a different context, if you play football with lots of very good footballers and you hold your own, it means that you're able to play at that level. For question number 8, I'm going to turn this question on its head. 3 of the answers collocate with the preposition to, only one of them collocates with the preposition at. So which 3 answers collocate with to? Give you a few seconds. And the answers are A, C and D. So you offer to, deliver to, and you propose something to someone. The only answer that collocates with at is pitched.